Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to program Xcore Hunter sprinkler system. This is a 4-cycle and 8-station system. I will go most of the features, which one we commonly use this side, and this side is just least uses. But I will go through all one by one. Before I start video, I just want to show you the uses of functionality. Like this is the dial button. You dial on the function. That means you are already in the system you're going to change. Like we are going to change current and time, so you have to dial here. You're going to change start time. You have to dial here like this. And these are the button: backward, forward, program button, and no or yes. This is minus and plus. You want to increase the time, go press the top, decrease the bottom. So that's all the functionality of the buttons. This is if you have a moisture sensor, you can activate this one, but I don't have it. I left it off. So now let's start. I have this system already set up, but I will go through one by one all the functions and how to use those. Right now, we're gonna talk the least common features. Right now, it's in a run mode. So basically, if you have already set up, the system will automatically run and turn off. And here, if you wanna totally turn off, like the system will not run, even you have on or off position. Here, you can turn system manual mode. Right now I press on the manual mode and you will see the station 1 is blinking. Now we will press on run and system will run. It will go through all the stations, but you can also press this button and will go to the next station. You can cycle all. If you want to turn manual off, you have to press off. And you can see a blink and stop. Now is off. I don't have a solar sync system, so basically I cannot show much. Seasonal adjustment, you can adjust how much water you want to put and how much you want to save. So you have a soak and season system. So we not worry about these things. Now let's move to really important part. We are daily use this side. First I'm going to show you dial button. We are going to bring to the current time and date. As you see, there's 11:55 a.m. Here we are going to change current date and time. It's blinking 2022. Basically this is years. Like we in 2022. If you have a like 2010, you can press top. It will increase the year. If you press bottom, it will decrease. You can set accordingly. Then you press the next button. It will go to month and date. Now it's June, so 6. You want to go up and down. 7, 5. Next date. So today is the 16th, so I'm going to leave it the same, but if your date is wrong, you can plus, well, 17 minus 16, go to the next one, and current time. As you can see, I have 11:56 and AM is blinking. If it's a PM, you can press this one, and it's 11 right now, and you can go up and down, and it will go 12, 11. So I'm gonna leave 11, then go here, 56. You can change your time, go here. It came back 2022, that means be good. So all the time and current time and date got set already. Now we're gonna go back, or you can go back to run mode and you see the time is matching with your current time. So that means you have saved already your current time. Now let's go to the start time. Start time is, first let's look here. It says 1A. So that means this one 1A means 1 cycle and A program. So this is not the station, this is the cycle. I have a setup at 8:30 p.m. Same, you can go up and down, back and forth. If you want to set more than one cycle, then you can press here, program A, cycle 2. So basically you can set one cycle at 8:30 p.m. The second 12 midnight. You can set up third in morning and fourth. If you need a more, you can also have a program A, B, and C. If you click on a program, it will change to B, C. So I'm going to keep it at A, and I'm going to leave all off. So I'm going to set only one one cycle for all 8 stations. You can just copy paste the same, like the way we are going to do right now A. You can do same thing with B, C, D, the way you want. Okay, it will be starting at 8:30 p.m. Now run time. So I have a station 1 for 5 minutes. You can change up 6, 4, 5. I'm going to leave it 5. Press here, next station. I have an 8 minute. You can change 4, 5, 6, whatever. I'm going to go to the next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have all 8 stations accordingly. That's all we're going to do. Now we're going to go to the water days. Over here, if you see a little drip system, that's the day we are running water. And the one have round circle on it, those days water will not run. So I don't want to run on a Monday, so if I press minus, it will be no. Tuesday, no. Wednesday, yes. I go to the next one. Thursday, no. Friday, no. Saturday, just Sunday, no. So I have only 2-day watering. So that's all I have to do. So Monday, I have a water drop and circle on it. That means Monday will not run. Tuesday will not run. Wednesday will run. Thursday will not run. Friday will not run. And Saturday will run. And Sunday will not. So basically, you only have to do, you just bring this blinking thing, minus no, plus yes. So now you see Sunday goes yes, but I'm gonna do no. So that's all for program wise. Now we all set. You can dial this button to run position. So as we have a 12:01 right now, at 8:30 p.m. this system will run. Accordingly, we have a setup. Station 1 will run for 5 minutes, station 2 will run for 8 minutes, etc. Okay, as we have a set already, you can set other station. I say start time. Now we have a 1A, you can press program and go 1B. You can set time, and whatever we have A, you can copy all to the others or different time or different stations. Basically, these things we use, like say I have a station 1 on different location, and that's only I'm gonna run on Wednesday and Saturday, but station 2 to 8, I can water every day. So basically, that's all you have to choose, but I'm not going to do nothing. I'm gonna stay on 1A. I'm gonna go back to run, and now I'm gonna sit back, wait for 8:30. If you want to test, you can put time close to whatever we have, like 12:02, you can put 12:15, 12:30, because you cannot put 12:05. You have to jump a 15 minute and test. Once you're happy, you can change your time and you're good to go. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video will help you. See you in the next video with the new topic.